In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to use a kicker light or a rim light. Basically how we use these is to separate our subject from the background. Today I'm photographing Ishana, who has dark hair, a dark top, and we're going to be doing that on a dark background. So let's show you how to do it. For my kicker light today, I'll be using a Profoto B10 and 1x3 softbox. To ensure I can focus my light and only target the back of Ishana's hair and shoulder, I've also chosen to add a soft grid. I position the light behind Ishana, aiming back towards her hair. We then take a test shot to see exactly where the light is falling. As we can see from this image, the exposure is too high. I reduce the power and take another shot, but I noticed something else which is bothering me, which is the light hitting Ishana's nose. To correct this, I ask Ishana to move her head away from the light and also feather the kicker light away a little. We then take another shot. This is looking much better. For me, kicker lights should be subtle and not steal the show. The only light that I want to hit Ishana's nose is from my key light. And for this, I'm going to be using another B10 and 3-foot octa. Next, I turn off my kicker light and take a test shot in TTL with my key light. I find that it's always easier to do one light at a time to see exactly what is happening. TTL has done a great job here, and this is looking great from the octa. I switch back to manual on my air remote to keep the exposure locked in. Now I switch my kicker back on and shoot with both lights together. A little bit of direction and a few frames later, I have my final image. We can clearly see the separation between Ishana and the background. Our kicker light is subtle, controlled, and both lights are working really nicely together. So there you have it, that is how you can photograph dark hair, dark top, dark background and still get some separation.